Government tricks you. They will arrest you before you've had a trial without a grand jury indictment. They break the law.
Fonseka panggilare my Vijayaraja කෙනෙක් කෙනයි ගියේ. ඊට පස්සේ පොලිසියෙන් දෙන්නෙක් ආවා. ඇත්තටම ගිහලා මෙතනදී මට පාරක් ගැව්වා. බයික් එකේ වාඩි කරගෙන දෙන්න දෙපැත්තෙන් ඉඳගෙන මම පොලිසියට අරන් ගියා. පොළ දෙකක් අරගෙන ලිව්වා. ලියලා ඉල්ල මේකෙන් අස්සම් කරපන් කිව්වා. මම කිව්වා මොකක්ද නැහැ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ මට අස්සම් කරන්න බෑ සර් කියලා. ඊපර මට ඒ වැඩ නැහැ මේක අස්සම් කරන්න කිව්වා. මම කිව්වා බෑ කියලා මේ මට කියවන්න දන්නෙත් නැහැ මට අස්සම් කරන්න බෑ කියලා. ඊපර මට ගැව්වා. ගාපු ගමන් ගාලා මම බංකුවට ඒත් වුණා. ඒත් වෙච්ච ගමන් පෑන දුන්න අතටම. අස්සම් කරපන් කියලා. දැන් මොකද කියන්නේ අස්සම් කරපන් කියලා.
They bring you before a judge and he asks you, how do you plead? And your bar attorney will nudge you in the ribs saying, enter plea, enter plea, enter plea. You absolutely do not enter a plea. And you say, I'm not guilty, or no contest. They then say, ha, you agreed to be prosecuted. Let's go ahead with the prosecution. You've taken the hook, line and sinker. You've agreed to go in and be prosecuted. And it's a trick these criminals are pulling. If they get you into their court, they put you in front of their high priest in a black nightie and he says, how do you plead?
What happened was my name got called out. I didn't correct her, which I was kind of thinking of doing, but then I thought, okay, I'm just going to present myself as who I am standing in front of her, because she seemed actually quite like a nice judge. When I stepped up to the mic, I said I claim common law jurisdiction. She right away rattled off all the charges and wanted to ignore that statement, and then she asked me, how do I plead? And I said, I do not consent and I waive the benefit. And I think that's a really powerful statement that I want to teach to a lot of people, because when you enter a plea, you enter into a contract. Whether it's guilty or not guilty, it is their way of saying you have understood the jurisdiction that they want you to respond with. And the guilty or the not guilty is something that you actually perjurize yourself with. So when I said I do not consent, meaning I do not consent to you making any legal determinations against me, I do not consent to your jurisdictional claims against me, and I do not consent to contracting with me. Quite final with that. And because I had claimed common law jurisdiction at the beginning of my statement to the judge, she realized that I knew what I was doing, and she dismissed the case right away. So I'm really, really pleased with the outcome.
Very profitable for the lawyers, the cops and the judges.
Our judges in the justice system, so-called justice system.
And this is how our judges and our lawyers are building a criminal enterprise.
Don't the judges understand this, or they sleep? Who taught them? What university taught them? Where do they get their education? Don't they know they're on death row?